An explanation and guide for using the macro function. 1. Creating a macro. A macro is a saved block of a design you use often. To create one, select the area you want, right-click, go to Functions, and click Create Path Macro. The insertion point is the place where you put the macro when you add it. You can change this spot to wherever you want. For items that change each time, like part names or manufacturers, set them as user-defined. When placing the macro, you can either enter the values manually or use pre-saved values by type for convenience. The term user-defined in user-defined can be set to any word that is easy for the user to understand. There are also predefined variables like na-craw1. Please check these in Tools Settings Add-on Project Wizard Variables. To edit variable names all at once, use the Quick Editor. You can open it with the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-1 or via View Additional Window Quick Editor. Drag to copy and paste the content, then make any necessary edits. To show or hide items on the drawing, select the desired fields, right-click, and choose to show or hide them in bulk. If multiple user-defined fields have the same name, the same value will be entered automatically. For example, if you have 3 CTs and only one uses a different part while the other 2 use the same part, you can set the unique one as Part 1 and the other 2 as Part 2. Once editing is complete, click the Save or Save As icon. Close the current page and load the macro on a new page. When you load the macro, you will be prompted to enter values for the fields set as user-defined. In the input fields, users can either enter component data manually or select and load it from the component database. The reference names have been automatically numbered, and the entered component information has been applied. In particular, you can see that the component names for T16 and T17, both assigned the same value Part 2, are identical. As shown in the image, right-click the macro and select New Variant to preset values for frequently used types. You can load data by selecting from the component database. After entering the information, input the name for the macro variant. Repeat the process to enter information for the other variants. If the part is not in the part database, you can manually enter the part information and manufacturer. As long as the symbol is the same, you can use new parts not in the database by entering them directly. After entering the information, input the name for the macro variant. Multiple variants have been created within a single macro. You can also edit the created macro design. Right-click the macro and select Edit in Editor. Add variable values to the terminal block in the editor. The content inside should be written in a way that is easy for users to understand. After saving the changes, select Change in the corresponding macro variant to see that the has been applied. Place the macro on a new page. Pre-filled values can also be changed to different ones when placing the macro. The placed macro can be replaced with a different one using the Replace Macro function. Variables that were not predefined can be entered during placement. You can see that the value has changed according to the information you entered. Macro placement and variance creation are complete.